Find a comfortable place. Yogic breathing and meditation can help calm your mind and relax your body, especially when you're feeling stressed out. To gain these benefits, find a cool, quiet place with few distractions. Start with deep breathing. Deep yogic breathing will help relax and center you. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose to the depths of your chest, imagining that you're slowly filling your lungs from the bottom to the top. When you've inhaled as much as you can, pause for a moment to appreciate the feeling of your lungs being full of air, then slowly exhale out of your mouth, thinking about releasing the air from your lungs from the top all the way to the bottom. Pause again when you've exhaled all the air from the beginning and inhale again. Continue this cycle, keeping your mind focused on your breath. Progress to breath of fire. Breath of fire is a powerful breathing technique that will give you energy. Use it especially when you find yourself dragging during the day or losing focus. Start with long, deep breathing with breath of fire rather than pausing and slowly exhaling. You will push the air out of your lungs quickly and forcefully out of your mouth. As soon as most of the air in your lungs is gone, immediately inhale as much air as you can forcefully. Engage your abdominals to push the air out when you exhale. With every breath cycle, try to inhale and exhale a little bit faster. Ground yourself with alternate nostril breathing. After doing some deep yogic breathing to start, place your right thumb over your right nostril and inhale deeply through your left nostril. When you've inhaled all you can, use your forefinger to close off your left nostril and lift your thumb so you can exhale out of your right nostril. Next, inhale through your right nostril, then cover it with your thumb. Lift your forefinger so you can exhale out of your left nostril. Focus your mind on your breath, continuing this cycle for 3 to 5 minutes. Try a guided meditation. You can take a guided meditation class or look for free guided meditation recordings online. Recordings also may include relaxing music or other sound effects that will aid in relaxation. Close your eyes and focus on the voice, visualizing the images the voice tells you to in your mind. Guided meditations give you something to focus on, which can be useful when you're just starting to meditate and don't have practice clearing your mind. Establish a regular practice of meditating for 5 to 10 minutes a day, either in the morning or in the evening before you go to bed. Over time, you'll notice a difference in your anxiety levels and your mental focus and clarity. Practice mindfulness in everyday life. When you focus on your breath while meditating, you're being mindful of your breath. You can expand this mindfulness to other areas of your life. Actually focus on the things that you could do throughout the day, rather than going through tasks on autopilot while your mind is elsewhere. When you act consciously and mindfully, you'll see an impact on your health and well-being. Use equal breathing before sleep. Equal breathing is kind of like counting sheep and allows you to focus on your breath to calm your body and stop your mind from racing at the end of a long and hectic day. Start by inhaling deeply as you count to 4, then immediately exhale for a count of 4. Continue the cycle, focusing on the inhale and exhale being completely equal. With practice, you can lengthen your count to 5, 6 or even 8. Use planks and side planks to build a strong core. You may be familiar with plank exercises from other workouts. The same pose exists in yoga, with more focus on maintaining a deep breath to strengthen your abdominal muscles. Try boat and low boat for lower abdominals and hips. Both boat and low boat require every muscle in your core and hips to be engaged. Get into boat position by sitting on your mat with your knees bent so your feet are flat on the floor in front of you. Work your arms and legs with chair pose. Come to a standing position with your arms loosely to your sides to get into chair pose. Slide your feet together so your big toes are touching, heels slightly apart, and focus on your breath. Progress through a warrior flow. Moving through the 3 main warrior poses provides a whole body workout, particularly strengthening your legs, back and shoulders. From standing in step 1, foot back into high lunge position to start. Strengthen your spine with downward facing dog. Downward dog is a classic yoga pose that will also provide strengthening benefits to your entire body. To get into downward dog, start on your hands and knees on the floor. Make sure your knees are directly under your hips, your wrists directly under your shoulders. Relax in child's pose. Child's pose is a common way to end any yoga routine because it allows your body to relax and allows you to return your focus to your breath. Child's pose also provides strengthening and lengthening for your spine and back muscles. Warm up with cat/cow stretch. Moving between the cat and cow poses is a good way to loosen up your spine and warm up your entire body as you start a yoga routine. It also stimulates your internal organs and increases circulation to your torso. Relieve congestion with a forearm wheel. The forearm wheel helps open your chest to help clear your lungs, and also helps activate your metabolism. Prep for the forearm roll by laying on your back on the floor. Stimulate your liver and kidneys with a seated forward fold. The seated forward fold stimulates your lower internal organs to improve digestion, as well as providing some relief for high blood pressure and sexual dysfunction. Also, use the wind relieving pose to improve digestion. The wind relieving pose, as the name implies, can help relieve gas, bloating and indigestion. You may want to make sure you have some privacy before you do this one. And boost your metabolism with raised legs pose. The raised leg pose can stimulate your abdominal organs, particularly if you remember to engage the muscles in your core while holding this pose. Our last point is to rest in corpse pose. The corpse pose is the ultimate yoga pose for healing and relaxation. This pose helps increase your blood flow to all your organs. To get into corpse pose, simply recline on your back and extend your arms to your sides, palms up. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. We post every single day, 3 times a day.